Yummy?
Yummy, yummy for the tummy tummy. Pretty much. It's like pound cake and ice cream.
That's so finished though. It was 50 and 2. Oh, so good. It was 50 and 2. And then she told me that it was big on tomorrow's live. It was going to Austin.
Yummy? Okay, okay.